1 minute. That's all it takes to create a shift in your life. Let me show you how. Every day we lose hours to distractions, scrolling mindlessly, doubting ourselves, and procrastinating on what truly matters. But here's the truth. Change doesn't require hours or perfect timing. It starts in the smallest moments. 1 minute is enough to pause. Take a breath and ask yourself, what's one thing I can do right now to move forward? Maybe it's drinking water, sending that email, or writing down a quick plan. That one small action creates momentum. And momentum? That's how real transformation begins. It's not about doing everything, it's about starting something. Your life isn't stuck. It's waiting for you to act. 60 seconds. That's all you need to take control and move toward your goals. So, how will you use them? Hit subscribe and let's make it happen together.